Technology has changed our lives immensely, especially in this last 2-3 years. Everything is evolving around technology. Any kind of profession which our kids will take up when they grow up is going to involve technology in one or another way. So that is the intention and idea, and that is the motive to bring to you this particular course. So here it is, Jr.DinoCoders presents to you Fundamentals of Coding. Let me share my screen with you all. Let me tell you what you can expect in this particular course, how this particular course has been designed. So this particular course has been designed considering the kids with no exposure to coding. So we will start from the very basic things. We will start with the things like, what is coding? What is that is running this entire digital world? Why coding is important for kids? We will see how kids can learn to code. What are the various available platforms that could be leveraged to learn coding? And how kids can learn to code, especially with these online sessions. We will understand what is sequencing, what is debugging, what is decision making in computer science, what are different type of loops, and what is repeat until loops. Friends, please don't worry if you do not understand any of these technical terms or jargons at this moment. We are here to explain you each and everything. Just stay tuned with us. We will see repeat until. We will also see a glimpse of binary numbers. Binary numbers is the foundation of any coding which computer understand. Binary numbers is the language, is the primary or the native language and the only language which computer understand. We will have a glimpse of it for your child to understand what is the basis of all the programming languages. Trust me, your kids will have fun writing their own name in a language which computer understands actually. Then we will move on to the variables, and then we will move on to the several lab activities. Like we will have artist lab and we will have game lab. Artist lab is a lab which is basically focused to enhance the creativity side of the kids. In this lab, kids will be able to write or code their own stories. They will be able to create their own geometrical shapes. They will be able to create their own artistic pictures, etc., which you will be proud to see. And then we will move on to game lab. What is better than creating your own games rather than playing the games in mobile all the time? So friends, towards the end of this course, your kids will be able to create some basic games which they will enjoy playing themselves, and you will be proud of it. So friends, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Thank you, and stay tuned for my next video.